In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable Do Not Disturb mode in Monday.com so you can stay focused without constant notifications interrupting your workflow. If you're managing multiple boards, tasks, and team updates, notifications can quickly become overwhelming. Turning on Do Not Disturb is a simple but powerful way to control when and how you receive alerts. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find the setting and how to enable it in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com guides. Let's get started. First, log into your Monday.com account and make sure you're on your main dashboard. Once you're inside your workspace, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. This is where your profile picture is located. Your profile picture is the gateway to your personal settings, account preferences, and notification controls. Go ahead and click on your profile picture in the bottom left corner. When you click it, a menu will appear with several options related to your account. In this menu, you'll see a section called Working Status. This is the area that controls your availability and notification behavior inside Monday.com. The Working Status section is extremely useful because it lets your teammates know whether you're available, away, or focusing. It also controls how and when you receive notifications. If you want to avoid pop-ups, sounds, and distractions while you're in deep work mode or in a meeting, this is exactly where you need to be. Inside the Working Status section, look for the Do Not Disturb option. You'll see a radio button or toggle option next to it. To enable Do Not Disturb mode, simply click the On Radio button. As soon as you click it, Do Not Disturb mode will be activated. Once enabled, Monday.com will pause notifications based on your settings. This helps you concentrate without being interrupted by constant updates, mentions, or activity alerts. Your team members may also be able to see that you are in Do Not Disturb mode, depending on your workspace configuration, which helps set clear expectations about your availability. This feature is especially helpful if you're working on tight deadlines, attending virtual meetings, planning projects, or simply need uninterrupted focus time. Instead of manually muting notifications on your device, you can control everything directly within Monday.com. If at any point you want to turn notifications back on, just repeat the same process. Click your profile picture in the bottom left corner, go to the Working Status section, and switch off Do Not Disturb. It only takes a few seconds to toggle it on or off whenever your schedule changes. Using Do Not Disturb strategically can significantly improve your productivity. Many professionals use it during deep work sessions and then switch back to available status once they're ready to collaborate again. It's a small setting, but it can make a big difference in how you manage your day. And that's it. That's how you enable Do Not Disturb mode in Monday.com quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step Monday.com tutorials designed to help you work smarter and stay organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.